welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So it is a weekend vlog. Haven't done one of these in a while, but I wanted to do something different on Tuesdays. So this is going to be the book to movie adaptation or homage to some kind of classic movie that has a black character or something like that in honor of Black History Month in essence. However, this one's going to be different. Hold on. So this one, it is going to be on Sounder by William H. Armstrong. If you guys know, he is not a black author, but this book is about a black family. And the reason why I decided to do this is because Cicely Tyson. Now, you guys know this is one of my favorite books from 2021. And Sounder, it's Cicely Tyson's major movie role. It is also the movie role that gave her her Oscar nomination. So I thought it was fitting to reread this because, guys, I'm pretty sure I read this as a when I was very young, and I'm pretty sure I might have saw the movie as well when I was very young. Don't remember detail, honestly. So I figured, you know, it would be a refresher to read this. It is short, so I'm going to read it today, and then tomorrow it will be the movie day where I will watch the movie and talk about it and kind of get the feels that she explained in this memoir about her reason for her strong will to get the character, the role that she got. She really wanted that role and she went for it. And also, she was very terrified. She didn't think she had the ability to play that role because she was very new to the acting world, and she didn't realize how good she was. And even when people tell her, she second guessed herself. So I just love to see her in that role that really was vulnerable for her to take on. And also the controversy of this, because this was written by a white author, there's a little feels for it of him writing about a black family. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, because there's always that whole idea of the white savior. So I'm not sure how this panned out because, again, it's been many years since I have read or seen the movie. So we're going to do this as fresh eyes and as an adult, an older adult that can analyze it and talk about it in more detail. So that's what we're going to do this weekend. I am also today waiting for, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning now because I did the workout at 8. And I'm waiting till 12 o'clock because I always release the Saturday vlog at 12 o'clock. And then I am going to head out to the store. I still have my gift card from Christmas for Home Depot. So there's something I want to buy. So I'm going to go to Home Depot. I also have to go to BJ. I go to BJ every 2 weeks. I try to go to BJ every 2 weeks to re-up on some of the things that I eat a lot of. Especially now that I eat a lot of plain yogurt. Yeah, guys. But I'm used to it now. It tastes good. Walnuts. I get it in a big bag because that's a snack on it. And I also use it in my yogurt. And some other stuff, water, you know, bulk water and all that stuff. And also I want to go to Target mainly to get something small that I don't even know if they sell that anymore. But I kind of want to see what they have because I've seen so many people with the Black History Month display that they have items. I'm hoping they still have items there. So I was going to go there and that would be it. And then come home. I do want to go to the fabric store, but depends on the parking situation. The one that you guys saw that you guys like with the 40% off spot, I'm going to that 40% off section if I can get a parking spot in that area. It's a little bit of a busy area and it's Saturday, but it's also cold as hell outside. I think the high today is not even 20, it's like under 20. And so I am thinking most people are not going to be out and about because it's going to be freezing. So that's the goal today. I will take you guys along with me. And if you follow me on Instagram, maybe you guys can, you would have got an early glimpse of whatever I will do too much on Instagram because I want to save it for the blog, but you know. So anyway, guys, that is the goal today, and get some reel done, and of course read this classic. And I like that there's photos in here. So there's photos in here. You know, it is a children's book. I think it is a children's book because it's, you know, but yeah, it is a children's book. So I'm hoping to fly through this because, again, it's gonna, you know, the writing's not gonna be that, and it's short, guys. It's not long at all. It's short, and this is what I'm gonna read today. I did not finish this yet, guys. I said I was gonna finish last night. Didn't finish it yet, so I might read a little bit of that. But we're gonna do Sounder, and then we're gonna watch Sounder tomorrow, and tomorrow will be a cozy, relaxing Sunday, and so I'm gonna read Sounder, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, guys, see you in a minute. Stay cute. So I'm in Home Depot, and I wanted that QB, but I wanted in the 9. They only have 15. Sucks. So I had the coupon still from Christmas. My gift card, I mean, a coupon gift card. And I was hoping to use it today, but they don't have what I need at all. So we'll have to wait. So I came here for nothing. That's unfortunate. So this is what I wanted. That up there, but in white. So, and they don't have it. Alright guys, so today was somewhat of a bust because I really wanted to get that shelf, because I don't want to buy it nowhere else because I got the gift card, and based on the price I have a gift card to cover it all, but they don't have any. And then they're saying they're not even sure. They haven't had any in like almost 6 months since they've had that. And the reason why is that I have one already like that. I just need a second one so that it match. I don't want to get something that's totally different. Frustrated. But you know what's going on in the world, so I have to keep watching until they get some in, or maybe go on their website. What if I could use my gift card on the website? I don't know. I'm gonna try the website because I really want one for the rest of my books. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get something to eat and head back to the house. I am done. One bus. Everything else I got that I was supposed to get, so can't complain too much, but still, that one would have been yeah. Anyway, all right guys, see you in the next. Hey guys, so I am back. Alright, so I'll show you guys some of the stuff. I'll show you all. So I didn't get anything from the Black History Month display they had except for workout stuff. So they had these workout stuff, and I got the jumpsuit. I haven't had a jumpsuit probably since 2015. I'll pop a picture up. I used to love working out, or when I used to do a lot of 5K and 10K races, and I used to love wearing it to unrace because it would suck everything in, and you guys know I'm top heavy, so it used to just keep everything in place and I had no issue. With that, because I'm top heavy and my bottom is not as big, it's hard. So I had to go up a size because I was just like, this might be an issue for the top. So the top, hopefully these things, these padded things can be cut. I don't even know. I hope I can take them out. Yes, I can take them out. So they come with little pads. There we go. So I can take them out, thank God, because I don't like these. They never fit me, so I always take them out. But I love this, and it has the pocket. So this is gonna be a great workout, especially when I do cardio. And so can't wait. So I'm gonna wash these and wear them this week. And then I got the set again. Yeah, this is another, I guess, black designer. So I got these, and also I love they got the pocket because I put the phone in there when I'm at the gym. And this one, and it has a top, and I thought this was gonna be, you know, I would never wear it like without a shirt on over it. So that's, but I like that it has that option. And this is the top, so it's pretty much a bra for me. So, but it's yeah, the stretch is gonna be nice. It's like it will suck me in. So I'll try it out later. And everything else is underwear, and I'm not gonna show you those. So then I went to the fabric place. And I picked up the 40% off. So this print and this print are for pajamas. I need to make some pajamas because I really don't have any pajamas that's left that's in good condition. My pajamas are super old and they got holes, and so I need to make some. So this is gonna be pants, a pants pajama, and this one's gonna be a shorts. I figure I'll do the pink because it's more, you know, floral, girly, and this will be good for when it gets hot, that I'll have the shorts right now. And then this one's gonna be the pants. I love the print on this because it's all coffee. It has all the, it's tea, all kind of tea actually. Chai, Earl Grey, yeah, so it's, and I had some Tweety, and I thought the print on this is just like perfect for pajamas, and it was 40% off, so I was happy about that. Then I got this print. These just came in. I saw them like on display. I guess they just got these print, and it's not gonna probably show up that great on camera, but my God, this print is great. I really want to make some pants with these, and because I think because of the print, there's so many different tops I can wear with it if I make a pants. The only thing about print is making sure that it lines up. So it's going to be a challenge to do a pants and making sure that the prints are lined up and it kind of flows. But I'm going to save this for when I practice more, making more pants. I have especially with the pajamas and stuff, practice a little bit more, because this is really gonna be ambitious because of the print. Not so much the style of what I'm gonna do, but because the pants I'm making for this that I have in mind, very basic, but it's just the print lining it up. That's where, you know. Then I finally went to the mailbox that I couldn't open at first because it's frozen, all the ice that we had, and I was trying not to break my key, but I kept trying until it finally opened, and I didn't open it yet, but the I don't know what that was. So this is one of the last book that I ordered, that a part of my TBR that just coming now. Is it? Yes. I know I didn't order from no book of the month. And it's so, and the, oh, come on, what happened here, guys? This I know I didn't order a damn thing from book of the month, but the cover is damaged. The cover is damaged. Like, there's stuff here. This part is ripped. I don't know if you can see it. It's ripped, and it's ripped to the point where they were trying to put tape on it. There's tape behind here. There's literally tape holding up the I'm pissed. I'm pissed. And it says September 2021. So this was an art somebody got and tried to sell it. No, this is going back. This is going back. Yeah, this is going back. It's some bullshit. I don't do book of the month. So, and this was supposed to be off Amazon, so I have no idea what the hell happened here. But that's going to be a complaint. Yeah. That was the first. I've never experienced that before. So I don't know what happened here. And these people try to tape the ripped. There's literally tape. Yeah. Anyway, that's what we have right now. So I'm going to chill and complain to these people about this goddamn book. And get to reading a sounder. So I'm going to put these fabric away. Now I got to find somewhere else to put it because my bin is packed. And I'm going to cut the pattern maybe in the morning for the pajamas. And that's it. Yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished up my blog post for today, so go check it out. It's a New Confession Chronicle, And I also, you know, been working on my planner for the week. I try to like complete my planner for the week on Sundays. And I am really loving the Hobonichi A6. One of the things that I also been able to do that turned out to be very rewarding is I use the tracker for the gym for the workout days, so I can compare to see each month how I did with workout, how I kept up with workout. And it's a good way to look back and say, okay, did I work out that day? Or if I had several days I didn't work out, kind of like, why didn't I work out kind of deal. January had a few snow days, and I realized that when I got home, I didn't have the motivation. So, but which is why I usually go to the gym right after work, because it's just so much better for me. And then to come home and have it to leave. On home workout has also been good on the weekends. And I've been able to do that. Because again, I'm able to do it in the morning. So I switched my workouts. I used to work out around 2, 3 o'clock in the evening. I think I would still probably go back to that in the summer. On spring, I might go back to that schedule, but for right now, it's just better to go to the gym early in the mornings, or because there's nobody there. And so far I'm back to that. I used to be a morning workout person, and then it got changed to evening, but I think I prefer morning again. So that's where I'm at. So I've been using my planner, and it just really works out really well. And jotting down all the things I need to do for the week, what bills are due, adulting, that kind of deal. So that's where I'm at now. And then I'm going to make some breakfast and finish the book, Sounder. I'm almost done. And then I'm going to watch the movie and give you like a rundown of how I feel as an adult reading and watching the book versus as a kid, that kind of deal. Some of it is really coming back to me. I'm reading and I'm like, yeah, I remember this, I remember that. But at the same time, it's just different looking at the story from as an adult, So yeah. All right, guys. So that's where I'm at, and I'm going to get some breakfast and finish this book and see what I'm going to do for the rest of the day, because it's literally, this book is so a short, easy read. But wasn't on my TBR, but now it is. So, alright, so I'm going to just leave this here and let's go make some breakfast, yeah. The pine tree would look down forever on a lantern burning out of oil, but not going out. A harvest moon would cast shadows forever of a man walking upright, his dog bouncing after him. And the quiet of the night would fill and echo again with the deep voice of Sounder, the great coon dog. Alright guys, so I am done with this. This was amazing. Absolutely amazing. And I definitely see why this was a classic. Now I want to watch the movie. I'm trying to see how they did the movie, because I don't remember the movie in detail at all. And there's a lot of this I didn't remember, because again, I was very young when I read this. And I think this was for school. But I'm curious to see how they did the movie, because based on this was very short and very much more focused on the boy and his family. This is about a family in a sharecropping era, and this is the father was accused of stealing pork, basically a pig, and went to jail for it. So this is like the separation from the family, and the boy who constantly wanted to find his father because they did not know where the father was being held. He was sentenced to hard labor, and that's all they pretty much knew. But there's that longing, there's that search for his father. But they also use the dog as a metaphor in this, in terms of the connection that the dog has to the father, and this survival, holding on kind of deal. And I thought that was interesting how it was done in this story. It is sad, but it's also has something about it with the boy that I found very interesting to read, and very much finding his way through the dark, finding his way through what his family was experiencing, and how they use education in this to kind of use as that saving moment in the book. I really like this. I'm looking forward to the movie now to see how they did it. Quite frankly, I couldn't tell this was a white author at all. There's just nothing about it that you would just automatically assume this is a white author. I would have thought it was a black author, had I not known that there was some kind of thing about it, or not looked up the author to see what he was. But absolutely amazing. Definitely recommend this. It reads very well, very fast paced. I mean, you could really fly through this book in no time. I would say this is about an hour and a half kind of read. Very fast paced. I love that they had picture illustration in it. I thought that was really nice. And it gave a bit more to the the jailhouse photo right here. I really like that. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go watch a movie now. Yeah.
Ready to go, Mama? Cut that shirt in, David Lee. When you get out of that school, you come straight on home, yeah?
Yeah, Cicely Tyson got the look down pat in this movie. Just how her facial expression. Oh my goodness. Like, she just got it. Look at her face.
No-knife job, Mr. Sheriff.
Mm. Hey guys, so I finished the movie. I'm going to first off saying the acting was great. For the adults, the kids, you can tell they were new to this. I would say Cicely Tyson, her facial expression, her mood was just top notch. She did an amazing job with that. The as well as the father, I thought he played it so well. What I'm going to tell you off the bat, it is not the book at all. It is completely different. They change everything. We're talking the end, the journey that the boy went on as he tried to find his father, down to even the teacher situation. They changed so much of it that it felt like an entirely different book. It needs to be inspired by Sounder, the novel, but it's not this. This was much more sadder to me. And this focused more on the little boy in this. Not so much of the struggle of the mother and the father. Because in this, it shows the boy as in, he's in the dark on so much about the feelings of his parents. Because back then, that's what they would do. They would shelter their kids from a lot of the things the kids would see, but not necessarily understand what's going on. You get that in here. So there's a bit of innocence of the child in the book. And as he venture out and do things. Also in the book, there were times there's a bit of time went by. So he is growing, he's a little bit older. You can see time had gone by because of what was happening to the father. The ending was completely different. The ending in this is much tragic, much sad, but also you see how he's gonna be okay, that kind of deal. This has to be one of the most drastic change from book to movie adaptation that I've ever watched. Drastic. I mean, I've watched other movie adaptation where a chunk of the book is cut out, but for the most part they still kind of kept it on that. They changed almost everything. Now this is a difference because white author wrote this, but the screenplay was by a black author, and I think he wanted us to see what life was like for a sharecropper and what would happen when the father in this was very desperate and had to choose a very harsh way of feeding his family and the consequence of it. But there is that part of the story that I think why people were a little bit disappointed or felt some kind of way, because it did have the white savior in the beginning, and that part of the story is where you get the controversy of people felt a certain way. But there was a black screenwriter who chose to add that to it and chose to put that in the story, and I think it reflects the time period, because that was what was expected during that time period. I do feel like if they were to redo this and keep it more towards the book in this era, it would be amazing, because they would be able to keep it more realistic, and I think it would be different in terms of what they will allow or what they think children actors can play, because again, this is essentially a young child to he's young, and how ripping it is and harsh it was for the experience that he was going through. That I think the generation now can handle that they can stay true to the book and do a modern take of this. I don't know if they did. I only looked for Cicely Tyson because I wanted to see the role that she got an Oscar nomination for. There might be another version of this movie setting. I'm not aware of it. If it is, let me know. But if you read the book and you've seen the movie, what did you think? And how far back have you seen it? Because I think it's different now for me, because as a kid I didn't understand none of this. And for me it's a different experience now. I do recommend reading the book. Absolutely read the book. And I do recommend seeing the movie, because again, it was 1973. And it was very much close to sharecropping era. So I think that part of history is relevant. And that part of that cycle of trying to change, because in this, education is a big deal. Education is a key for them to get out of the impoverished era of being a sharecropper and not having the opportunity. And I think that's one of the big message in the movie, and also in the book as well. I mean, the book really talks about that, but the movie, you get to visualize it and see the effect and the feels that the family will have about a boy wanting more. And so yeah, I'm gonna say this was one of the most interesting book to movie adaptation I've done, and I'm gonna continue. Don't know what else I'm gonna dip into next. So maybe something more fun, not as deep as this was, but we'll see what we have for the next weekend. So yes, let me know how you feel about this and the topic and the discussion and the critics and everything that goes around. So just let me know how you feel, and I will see you in the next one, guys.